News exists because we're fed up with sensationalism, misleading headlines, and biased reporting. News is a great news service for readers and contributors alike. If you want to promote your work or submit an article, now there's no dilemma about creating some wacky, sensational headline. News rewards you for stating the facts and for submitting honest articles. As a reader, you don't have to wade through a swamp full of misleading spin. So let me take you on a tour of news and show you what we can do.
When you first visit news, you start with the main column. You can tell where you are by looking at the top of the page. The main column shows the top voted articles right now. The first article has several comments, and the top 5 comments are displayed next to the article. You can click on a comment to read it in context. There's also a cross-reference to another article, which means extra information is available. Let's click on More to view the article detail. In the article detail page, the cross-reference is listed beside the article, and the comments are below. Click on the cross-reference to view the full excerpt. Now, go back to the article detail. Click on the title to read the original article. Then go back to participate in the comments. I want to share a link with everyone, so I will log in to post a reply. I can also use the login link, which is at the top of every page. Now that I've logged in, I can click the reply link. My reply shows up at the end of the list. Notice how the URL became a clickable link. HTML is not allowed in comments, but news will automatically convert valid web addresses into clickable links. Since I'm logged in, I can vote on comments and articles now. I like this comment, so I'm going to vote it up. Each user has one vote, so multiple clicks are ignored. At the top of the page is the menu link. Click it and you're brought to the menu, which is actually at the bottom of every page. Under the column heading, click for the new column, which lists all of the recent articles. These new articles will be moved to the main page if they get enough votes. So, I already read this article about the coyote, and since I liked it, I'm going to vote it up.
So now you can see how reading one article might lead to another, and before you know it, you've read more than a few. But what if you also want to contribute to news?
In order to contribute to news, start at the home page and click Sign Up to create a new account. Choose a username and password, and read the user agreement, which is at the bottom of the form. Type in the scrambled words, and your account will be created. If you cannot read the words, then click on the refresh button and you'll get some new words. Now, log in with your new account. The first thing you need to do is install the News button. The button is available by using the button link from the menu. For now, only the Firefox web browser is supported, but a version for Internet Explorer 7 is on the way. To install the button, simply drag it into your bookmark bar. If you have a news link in your bookmark bar, then it has been installed. Now, I want to contribute an article about the Simple English Wikipedia. This is an interesting topic, and I want to share it. I have 3 links that I want to share, so I'm going to start by posting the main article. To contribute, simply highlight the words you want to excerpt. Notice that I've highlighted some words that I don't want to submit. That's okay. The next screen will let us delete those words. Now that I've highlighted my excerpt, click the News button. News doesn't let you add words to the article, but you can delete words from the title and the excerpt. When you click on a word or draw a box around several words with the mouse, they will be grayed out. The gray words will be removed from the final article. Use this feature to get rid of redundant or unhelpful or distracting information. And I'll explain how to use this checkbox down here in just a moment. So, as soon as you click the Submit button, the article is online. But my work isn't done yet. I want to add some cross-references to the article, so I will repeat the process I just demonstrated with a different page. Select the words, click the News button, remove distracting portions. Because I don't want this article to be listed in the new column, I will uncheck this box. I think it'll get more upvotes if I post all of these articles together. So, by unchecking this box, it will not be listed right now. Now, I want to cross-reference the article. To do this, I copy the news link. I go to the main article, and I paste it as a cross-reference. Now, the article shows up next to my main article. I also want to post an article about the 850 words that Simple Wikipedia uses. So, I do the same thing as before. I select an excerpt, I click the News button, I remove the distracting words, and again, I uncheck the box. Now, I copy and paste the URL, and it's cross-referenced. Finally, I want to include my opinion with this article, so I'm going to post a comment. Now that my comment is online, I'm going to click to view this in the new column. So here's the article that I just posted. You can see that there are two cross-references, and my comment is displayed right next to the article. If people vote on my article, then maybe it will show up on the main page. News is easy to contribute to. In just a few minutes, I created an account, and then I created a highly structured article about a cool topic. I have several references, some excerpts, and I even included my opinion.
So you've just learned enough to be a news power user. But there's a lot more to come. For example, why is there a silent K in the domain name? Well, only time will tell. But for now, welcome to the news community. Enjoy your stay.